Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to add smoke to any image in Photoshop. So let's jump right into the video. Create a new layer. Now select the brush tool from the toolbar. With the white color selected, create a wavy line like this. Now go to Filter, Blur Gallery and choose Path Blur. Here move this arrow upwards and bring the end point to the bottom of your line. Now click to create the points and make a curve like this. When done, click on the end point and make the end point speed to maximum. Now change the speed and the taper as per your requirement. Adjust the path if you want and hit OK. In this way, you can create some amazing smoke effects in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.